Oh, the money bomb's awake.
What? My name is Luna.
Oh, whatever. We're gonna sell you to a national aquarium and earn all the money.
What? No!
Yes.
No!
Luna! 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 You there? Luna! What's this? Oh, dear friends, I am stuck in a tank on a boat. Please help me, and I'm sent to a national aquarium. Please help me. Bye.
A few hours later.
Mrs. Pufferfish,
Yes?
please let me see the manager.
Okay, let me just go and tell her.
Hello, Mrs. High and Mighty. And Mrs. Less Mighty.
Now, what would you like to do?
I would like to sell you a fish.
Okay. I'll see to it.
Hello, I'm a Purrmaid.
You're hired!
But I'm not working for you. I'm trying to sell you something.
Okay, then. You're sold! Beep, beep. So what's your friend's name? Oh, God. Silence. Okay. The kind mechanic has fixed our bus extra fast so we can go to the aquarium. Woohoo! Woo! Let's go! I love fish! Yeah! Sea creatures! You know the new exhibit? Cool!
No, wait.
Yeah?
What aquarium is it?
Oh, the National Aquarium.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that sounds cool. I can't wait to go there.
Well, I hear there's a new fish coming in. Cool. They say it's a Purrmaid.
Huh? Going to the aquarium. Yeah.
A few hours later. I quite like the aquarium.
Go! I'm the king of the world!
No, you are!
Yes, I am!
I'm so excited! You got a big tree! It's cool! It's like baby things! In the storage room.
We're sharing the money, right? No, you're my lucky. And you don't deserve the money.
You hear that?
Hey! Hey, you wanna fight? Let's fight. Yeah, just I'll beat you up. I'll fight you. What is it here? You okay?
I'm weak, but I think I can get my magic out, but I'm just very weak.
You okay? Come on. Wake up.
To be continued.
Oh, yeah!